Ooh, 40th anniversary, Return of the Jedi. Had to pick up these, man. I was at Stance, and I'm a Jedi nerd because that was my time period. And plus, I got a couple pair of shoes that'll go with these socks, man. So, yeah, it was a pretty decent price, man. But this is the way things used to come back in the day, bro. You got a lunchbox and you got a thermos, bro. This time, we actually got some socks. And I got a few pair of sneakers that I'm going to actually put together with these. That thermos, though. I work from home, so I ain't going to really use the thermos, but it's cool to have, man, just because it's the 40th anniversary. I remember when that movie hit vaguely because I was 3 years old. Me showing my age, but yeah, man, take a look at the lunchbox, bro. Yes, sir. We in there, man. Like, wow. Ooh. What am I gonna do with this lunchbox? I don't know, but same thing we did with lunchboxes back in the day, bro. Yeah. Stance for the win, man. 3 pair of socks, a lunchbox, and a thermos. And I want to say it was like $65 with the military discount.